How to remove ghost followers on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you here to your homepage. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. Tap on your profile and it will look like this. It will lead you to your profile section. Now, the next thing that you want to do next is to go here to your followers options here. Now, if you click on your followers here, you will see categories. You will see accounts you don't follow back and least interacted with. So most likely, these least interacted with are where you can spot on the ghost followers on Instagram. You can also tap on their account here if they still be using it or it's just a dummy account following you. And what you can do is to just remove them. To remove them and unfollow them. For example, this account here. For example, this account here, all you have to do is to actually tap on this and to unfollow the account. And basically that is how you also want to remove this as a follower. Click on remove follower here, and then basically that's it. That's how you remove ghost followers on Instagram. All you have to do is to look for those accounts here on your accounts on here on your list interacted with, and basically that's it. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.